So 1 minute. Current just say okay. So this program just I was discussing, right? Alt. So A divided by B. What will the output here? Sir, A in ASCII value is what? 97. B ASCII value is what? 98. 97 divided by 98. The quotient value is 0. 0 means condition false. So this block of statement will not execute. Outside statement directly execute. The values should be printed. C. Observe C printed or not. No error. Warning swing, but no error. C printed. Right. This time C is printed. So this time again I'm changing the condition here. Okay. Now capital A. Capital A. Why two the quotation is here? Right. Capital A. This time guess what will be the output? Sir, small a ASCII value is 97, capital A is 65. So 97 divided by 65. 97 divided by 65 means definitely the result or the value of this division will come more than 1, which is our question division 1 will come, so which is not 0. So the condition is true. True means A B inside statement as well as outside statement will be execute. Answer will be A B C. Observe answer A B C or not. A B C is the answer, right? Next is, sir, I'm writing here, suppose I'm writing here one more condition here, right? One more condition I'm writing 0 greater than 1. 0 greater than 1. Sir, what will be the output? Again output will come because condition false now. Again output will come C. Again, what happened? 0 control F9. Again the output becomes C. Right now this time once again I'm changing this one. 1 greater than 1 is greater than 1 is greater than 1. Don't think this one is same, but the value is same. Because of this data type the value will be different. This is which type? Character data type. This is integer data type, right? So character data type will be linked with the ASCII value. For this one, ASCII value is what? ASCII value is it will, for digits. For digits, the ASCII value will be starts from 48. 48. 0 for 48, 1 for 49. So for this one, which is in the single quotation mark, so this one ASCII value is 48 is greater than 1. Condition is true. True means inside statement as well as outside statement will be execute. Answer will be A, B, C. Observe answer A, B, C or not. A, B, C. Again answer came A, B, C. Okay, answer came A, B, C. So this time what I'm doing here, okay, this time what I'm doing, I'm removing this single quotation. 1 is less than 1 and putting semicolon. What will the output say? What will be the output here? 1 is greater than 1. Condition true or false? False. Na? Generally condition is false. But condition false, what the user will think, what the people will think, condition false means inside statement will not execute, outside statement will execute, answer will be C. But observe answer no, will not C. Answer is different here. Answer is what? A, B, C or not? Why? Because of this semicolon here. If statement ended with a semicolon, that means if started and if also ended. So whatever the remaining portions are there, they will be treated as outside of the if block. So from top to bottom order, it will be execute. First A, then B, then C. That's why output is what? A, B, C. Because of this semicolon only. Because of this semicolon only, this one will be happen. Suppose this time observe, sir, I'm removing all this. Okay, I'm removing all this. I'm removing only. I'm putting get switch also. I'm putting like this and semicolon also. Let me remove. What will the output? What will be the output here? Sir, actually no printf statement is there, so no output, but the program will be executed without error or error will be found. Definitely 100% error will be found because we have started the if, but have we ended the if? No, we have not ended the if. That's why error. Observe two errors coming. What is the error saying? Statement missing. Okay, now statement missing or compound statement missing, bracket missing. Compound statement means bracket missing. If I'll give this open curly braces and close curly braces, immediately error will become zero error. But no, nothing statement is there, so blank screen will be print. See, blank screen are not observed here. Observe, I will also show if the blank screen or not. Alt F5. See, nothing will be there, blank screen. So this is the one way to avoid that error. What is the another way? Remove this one, give semicolon, same blank screen will print, no error. Right? No error. Control F9. Okay, Control F9 and Alt F5. See, blank screen printed on blank screen there. Right? These are the several interview questions, right? Now this time what I'm doing, okay, what I'm doing here, I'm writing like this, printf brackets, brackets, I'm writing here printf, okay, printf subhrajit, subhrajit, I'm writing, subhrajit, I'm writing here, right? Then observe what will be the output here. If I will write like this and one bracket start, flower bracket close, and I'm writing here get ch function, right? What will be the output, sir? So here the output is only Subhrajit, Alt F9, any error, no error. Control F9, observe Subhrajit printed or not. But here what is the difference? Difference is here, I'm writing the printf statement executed, but no semicolon here. HR is asking, print your name by the help of printf function, but don't use semicolon. Don't use semicolon, just print your name by using printf function. So in that case, if I'll remove if na, okay, if I'll remove if, it will be a, it will be error. Suppose I will remove if, everything I will be remove or bracket, let the bracket will be there, no problem at all. Okay, two parentheses, I'm removing one. Observe error will form on all F9. What is the error, sir? What is the error? Statement missing error. Expected what? Bracket. Okay. Oh, two brackets are there. Okay, observe. Okay, I'm giving the bracket problem solve. Again, Alt F9. Again, error is there. What is the error this time? Statement missing error. That means semicolon required here. Okay, now in the printf statement, semicolon is required. But HR is asking what? Without semicolon, you print your name. So in that case, what is the ultimate solution here? Just if is the ultimate solution. Now error gone or not? Zero error. But answer same to same. Printed or not? Right? This is the, these are the several questions. At this time, observe, sir. Subhrajit, I'm writing. If right, if there. So Subhrajit, I'm writing here, and the bracket suppose close. I'm writing minus printf. Okay, printf. Okay, printf. Say sage. Okay, sage. Printf sage. Right. What printf says? What printf says? Suppose I'm writing here. I'm writing here. Hmm. Printf. Printf. Okay. Printf hi. Printf hi. I'm writing. Oh, I am writing. Okay. Then I'm writing printf. Printf by also I'm writing by by. by also I'm writing by. So then get CH is there. Then what will be the output of this program? Anybody? Anybody? What is the output? What will the output here? Output will be Subhrajit will be print. Says will be print. Okay, let me give you one gap here. Subhrajit says gap will be there in between. And here high will be print or by will be print based on this condition. What kind of condition it is? How the condition is checking here? Observe Subhrajit, how many characters? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One space character is there, blank space is there. So 10. And says how much? Here is 4. 10 and minus symbol is there. So 10 minus 4 is what? 6. 6 is if 6 is true or false. True means high will be printed. Observe Subhrajit says high. Subhrajit says will be printed, and based on the conditions, the printf statement to printf statement will graph. Observe alt F9, no error. Control F9. What output coming? Subhrajit say high and by. Subhrajit say high and by. Why high and by? Condition true. Condition true means here no curly bracket. So printf is what? Printf is under this if block and by is outside of the if block, right? So inside and outside both statement will be executed here. Both the statement will be executed here, right? So this is the questions here. So let me do one more programming here. Several interview questions, this much only. Let me write one program here. What is the program this time? Okay, I want to check the given character is lowercase or not, right? So for that I'm writing print. Okay, character first declare char right. Okay, now printf like printf enter a character. Okay, enter a giving gaps characters, right? Sir, scanf function I'll use to read percentile c comma ampersand cho character will be read by the scanf function. What is the next? If character is greater than equal to a man not one a and logical and character is less than equal to z. Okay, z. That means if the character input character, what character scanf function will be read. Okay, if that character is greater than small a and less than small z, then printf what? Printf sir lowercase. It is lowercase character. Character lowercase characters, right? Lowercase characters. So this is the program. Observe get ch function. I'm writing clr is there or not? Not there. Okay, bracket. Okay, bracket close and right here main function bracket also not here. Okay, give main function bracket, then clr scr function. Alt F9. Any error? No error. So Control F9. See, enter a character, small a I entered. Observe lowercase character swing. Okay, second time I'm executing F9. Okay, control F9. So this time I'm giving capital A. What happened? Output is showing or not? No output. Blank. I'm entering the screen here. Once again, F9. Sir, I'm entering capital H. Capital H you enter. Observe no output because in the program only the logic is written to check the lowercase characters, right? So what happened? That means this type of programming is not suitable because it is not giving the complete informations. Suppose if I am entering the small a, it is displaying lowercase character. By mistake, in place of small a, if I'll enter some other value, suppose capital A or capital B, it should display that it is not a lowercase or it is a uppercase character, right? because it is very informative. The program, my software should be very much informative. Suppose in your Gmail account you enter the wrong mail ID. So wrong mail ID if you are entering, then immediately in the red color message is displaying this mail ID, this ID is not exist. If those messages will be not displayed to the users, then user will be in confusion what happening. He also not could not able to understand what happening if he is entering is wrong ID and nothing displaying in the screen. Okay na? So here also while I'm entering the small a, no doubt happily the program is executing, but while capital A nothing is printing. So this a create the confusion for the user. Solution is what? If once I will write capital if not, this is if, okay na, if ch, right, ch greater than equal to a and ch less than equal to z. Okay, z. Okay. Printf not a lowercase characters lowercase characters, right? So like this logic I'm writing. So if I'll execute this program, right? If I'll execute this program, then observe alt F9 error where error get ch function, okay, statement missing error. Oh, here I forgot to give alt F9. So control F9. What is asking? Sir, small capital A I'm giving. Capital N, capital A, okay, capital enter. Oh, sorry, nothing is displaying. Okay, then control F9, small a I'm giving. Sorry, small a. Observe lowercase character, not a lowercase character. That means the logic is wrong. What? How to make it correct? Observe this one. I will write here exclamation mark bracket start and bracket close. Okay, alt F9, mirror, control F9, no small a, lowercase character. Once again executing capital at this time, not a lowercase character. How it is working, sir? So what is the meaning of this symbol? This symbol particular not equal to, right? So what is the particular statement will be check whether the character is within small a and small z. So by using this not operators, okay, not operator, what will we check? The character is not within small a and small z, then it is not a lowercase character will be print like this. But what is the problem here? Problem is here the condition is checking two times. Suppose I will enter small a, for small a also first if statement will be checking, and second if statement also checking. Suppose a capital A, for capital A also first if statement will be checked, and for this capital A also second if statement. That means for every character two times the if stem this if statement will be checked. But my requirement is only one condition will be checked. Okay, one condition, one time the condition will be checked and I will get the same output. How, sir? Observe, very simple. I will write a word here else. So already if is there na? Already if having condition. Okay, if this condition is not satisfied, then else part will be executed. Observe alt F9, same output I will get a control F9. Okay, and small a, lowercase, control F9, capital A, uppercase or not a lowercase, or not a lowercase, or I can write here in place of not a lowercase I can write uppercase also, not a problem. This is what, by this is the program by introducing if with introducing else with if. introducing else with if. There is nothing but if else. So what is the benefit of if else? uh, in the previous program, while we are using two times if, simple if, also same output I was getting, but in this case also same output I am getting. Then what is the difference? Sir, HR is asking regarding this. If there is two simple if and one if else statement is there, which one you will choose? Which one will be the best one? Which one will be the performance wise more recommended? Okay na? So the answer should be what? Answer should be if else. Immediately second question you will ask, why if else? Then what you will do? Sir, in if else only one time condition will be checked, but in two simple if, okay, because if else is equal to two simple if, I can write two simple if, or in the place of two simple if I can write if else. Okay, so but difference is there. What is the difference? If else, in if else only condition one time checked, okay, and in two simple if condition both time has to be checked. So execution wise if else program is faster than two simple if program. That's why we'll go for the if else. If you're giving like this answer, the interviewer will be very happy, right? Very happy, right? So this is what, this is the program. What is the solution, sir? If else. If else is the solution. Then what is the syntax? If condition. What is the syntax? Observe. If condition, then statement. Okay, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, any number of statement inside the opening curly and closing curly brackets you can write. Then else statement, right? Okay, observe, sir, I'm writing the what is the need of if else? I just explained here. I'm writing the syntax here. Observe. This is the page, right? Okay. Okay, I'm writing the syntax for if else. What is the syntax are here? Very simple syntax here. I'll write here slowly. Sir, if condition, if condition, I'm writing. Sir, here bracket start. Here I'm writing one statement. Statement I'm writing. Just a dotted line I'm writing here. So dotted line here, stated as bracket close. Then else. Else, here after else bracket start. Okay, statement I'm writing here. Then bracket close. Right? This is the syntax of the. Here I can include, in this case I can include one statement, two statement, three statement, no problem, any number of statement inside the block I can include. So this is the first syntax. Okay, now this is my first syntax. How it will be executed, sir? How it will be executed? Observe, if a condition true, then this statement will be executed. If condition true, this statement will be executed. If a condition false, then else part statement will be executed. Else part statement will be executed. Okay, now so this is when false. False. Okay, else false. And this one is when true. This one is when true. Okay, sir, suppose here only one statement. Bracket compulsory or not? Not compulsory. Remember, in the if else also, if under if condition only one statement is there, then bracket will be not required. Bracket is optional here. Observe, sir. Suppose same as this condition, same as if condition. Okay, if condition bracket. Sorry, next statement one, else statement, else statement. Okay, if conditions, right? So here only one statement, here only one statement. That's why here bracket is optional. So one statement means this one statement will comes under this if only, if only, if condition is true. So if condition is true, if condition is true, here this statement will be execute. Condition is true. And if condition is false, this statement will be execute. Right? This statement will be execute. Sir, observe, this is one more syntax I have again. Observe, sir. Here I am writing again. If condition, condition. If condition I have written here. Now I am writing without curly bracket, first statement, second statement, okay, third statement also no problem. Sorry, third statement I'm writing here, okay. Then I'm writing else, else, fourth statement, comma, else, else. One more statement I'm writing, right? One more statement. Now this syntax is valid or not valid? Okay, na? Sir, if condition, what you told? Sir, if condition is true, how many statement are there? Three statement, na? But how many will be included with if condition? Only the first statement will be included. Only if the if condition, and remaining are outside of the if condition. And else, similarly, first condition will be treated. Then this one is the outside. Then what will the, if it is true, right? If the condition is true, then this statement will be executed. Okay, this statement will be executed, and outside of the if, these two statement will be executed. If we will think like this, right? If we will think like this, then we are doing a blunder mistake here. Like this, it will not happen. Error. This one, so error will be displayed. Error will be formed here. If you'll think like this, what I just told, if you'll think like this, immediately error. Why? Because error. Observe. Why? Because error. There is a rule. What is the rule? Okay. Okay. What is the rule? Else should start. Else should start immediately. 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 End of. Immediately. End of. ly, immediately end of what? End of if. Immediately end of if statement. Else part should be start immediately end of if statement. Now observe, sir, in this case, what is the problem? Why is the problem? Sir, if condition is checked, condition is true, this statement will be executed. Okay, this statement will be executed. But how many statement the if will be considered in this case? If curly bracket is not there, only one statement, na? That means if started here and ended here. But what is the rule saying? Immediately else should be start. But in between the end of if statement and else, there is this two statement, there are not. This two statement, there are not. So that's why what will this type of syntax will not work. Okay, so only for one statement, no bracket, no bracket, optional. Bracket is optional, but more than two bracket or two bracket, two statement, we have to keep the what? We have to give the bracket here, right? So this is the syntax here, right? If else, if else. Okay, if else. So one minute. So let me copy this one. Let me copy to note syntax, right? This is the syntax. This is the of kya ho raha hai? Oh, sorry, this one, not this one. Okay, this is the syntax. This is not a valid syntax. Let me delete this one. Okay, not required. Okay, but important note, this one is required. Delete. Delete. This is the note here. I'll write here. Okay, not not right. So I'm taking this diagram to control x, where if else here. So if here is else, if else control v, control v. Okay, na? Sir, by using this if else concept, which type of program we can design? Which type of program we can design? Very simple, sir. Finding of even number, odd number. Okay, finding of full number, odd number, finding of big number between two numbers, right? Two numbers. We can use this program. Finding the big number between two numbers. Okay, we can use this program. Yes, right. So many interview questions I need to solve for the fields, right? But before that, I will write one program first. Then I will conclude leap year program. I will write leap object leap year program. I will write. Then in the next class, I will discuss about the interview questions objects leap year program. How to write the leap year program? What is a leap year, sir? We know that if any year will be divisible by 4, then it will be treated as a leap year. So okay, printf, okay, year, right? Year. I'm writing here integer integer yr, year. For year I'm taking the variable yr, printf, okay, enter a year. Here you enter. I'm just giving the message scanf. Scanf, what will happen? Scanf percentile d, percentile d, comma, here yr, here I am reading, bracket close, right? Now how to check? Sorry, if that means divisible by 4, any year divisible by 4, divisible means remainder should be 0. So for modular operators, 4 equal to 0, no 0, then it will print what? Printf leap, leap year, print leap year. Else else print what? Printf, not print, printf, not a leap year, not a leap year, not a leap year. So leap year means every 4 years. Okay, now which is divisible by 4. Every 4 years will be not every year which divisible by 4 treated as leap year. All type any error, no error. Control F9. Okay, now we are entering sir 2004 and observe not a leap year coming. Why? We have written wrong logic or what? If year percentile 4 equal to 0, percentile 4 equal to 0, why I have written? Okay, printf leap year, else not a leap years. Okay, everything is correct, right? Percentile d, leap year. Okay, once again I'll execute alt F9. Array. That's why I'm telling system gone hang. That's why output not came. Okay. In the next video, I will solve that program also. So I'm stopping here. Next video, I will solve that one.